See, to block any unknown phone number or block all of your spam calls, you don't need to download any third-party applications. I'm gonna show you some very simple and easy steps to do it. Just keep watching the video till the end. First of all, click on this call icon. And now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Now click on settings. Now look at the very first option, block numbers. Just click on it. Now there are some options here that you should know. If you want to block any unknown numbers, just turn on this option like this. But instead of blocking any unknown phone number, if you want to block a particular or specific phone number, here is an option. See, add phone number. You can enter the phone number here. And in the middle, here is another option, block spam and scam calls. Just click on it. If you want to block all your spam and scam calls, first you have to turn this option on like this. Again, turn on the second option too, block spam and scam calls. And now you can select as per your choice. It's up to you. That's it. I want to block all my spam and scam calls, so I've selected this one. And now go back. So this is how you can block any unknown phone number on your phone. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.